And in this breaking news bulletin, it has just been announced that Adelaide resident Gary Tidswell, who turns 64 today, has just been announced as lead driver for the Holden Racing Team's Clipsal 500 lineup for 2015. This news has come as quite a surprise to many of the circuit drivers, mostly due to his age, expanding waistline, and lack of driving experience on the track. However, Holden Racing Team executives are confident in this aging wannabe's ability and confidence, stating that although he is considered over the hill and heading on the downward slope, we believe Gary can pick up some great speed on the track at next year's Adelaide Clipsal 500. Much of the feedback from other V8 supercar drivers is positive. However, there has been some concern raised about his aging eyesight, especially with the recent introduced Twilight races being held. With the help of his recent plastic surgery, Gary's rugged good looks and handsome demeanour are expected to draw even bigger crowds than what we've seen at this year's Clipsal 500. So, Gary, from all of us here at NWV News, congratulations and happy birthday.